Becoming a millionaire is a reachable goal if you start young and develop the right habits. The pursuit of a seven figure net worth should be fueled by a desire for financial security, not a longing for status or a luxury lifestyle. There are roughly 11.8 million Americans with a net worth of at least $1 million, making up 3% of the US population, according to Spectrum Group's 2019 Market Insights report. There's no secret formula to attain massive wealth, but I can tell you that road to becoming a millionaire is much easier when you are in your 20s because you have more energy, less responsibilities, and almost nothing to lose. Believe it or not, becoming a millionaire is a goal that you can achieve this year only. If you follow these 8 valuable pieces of advice, your chances of becoming a future millionaire will gradually increase. Number 1. Steer clear of debt. From cars to clothes, to houses to jewelry, you can get a loan for pretty much anything nowadays. There's an idea floating around our culture that you should get what you want when you want it. Get it now, pay for it later, and pay more later. Every time you buy something on a credit, you are digging a deeper hole for yourself. That money you are spending to lenders is money you could be putting towards your future. For example, take the average car loan, which has a monthly payment of approx $520 and a term length of 5 years and 9 months. If you were to invest $500 a month for 5 years instead, you could have $40,000. And look at this. If you invested that $40,000 for another 20 years, you could have almost $270,000. Now, where's that car in 25 years? Most likely in a junkyard somewhere. The bottom line is, you should avoid debt at all cost. And if you already have some, then get rid of it as soon as possible. Number 2. Invest early. In addition to steering clear of debt, investing early can help you becoming a millionaire. If you start putting away $300 a month, beginning at the age of 25, you could reach millionaire status by the age you are 60. That's just $300 a month. If you waited until age 35 to start investing, you would have to put away $800 a month to hit the $1 million mark by the age 60. Let's look at it at a different way. If you invested $300 a month for 40 years, from age 25 to 65, you could have $1.75 million. If you invested that $300 a month for 30 years instead, from age 35 to 65, you would only have $650,000 approx. You would have to work an extra 10 years to age 60 to hit that $1 million mark, and you would have to work until age 75 to hit $1.75 million in net worth. Do you want to wait until you are 75 to become a millionaire? Your obvious answer must be a big no. So start investing as much as you can and as soon as you can. Number 3. Focus on increasing your income. In today's economic environment, you cannot save your way to millionaire status, wrote Grant Cardone, who went from being broke and in debt at the age of 21 to becoming a self-made millionaire by 30. The first step is to focus on increasing your income in increments and repeating that, Cardone said. Grant Cardone says, my income was $3,000 a month and 9 years later, it was $20,000 a month. Start following the money and it will force you to control revenue and see new opportunities. Number 4. Increase your streams of income. After studying the very wealthy for 5 years, author Thomas Corley discovered that 65% of self-made millionaires he studied had 3 streams of income. 45% had 4 streams and 29% has 5 or more streams. This could include starting a side business, working as a part-timer, making investment, and renting out everything from your home to your car to household items. Number 5. Live like you are poor than you actually are. The richer you become, the more frugal and low key you should be. Too many young people waste money on things that they don't even need simply to show off to their friends or on their social media platforms. There's no shame in being young and poor. Drive a cheap car, live in a modest home, don't eat out every day, don't buy clothes that you don't need. Thanks to Mark Zuckerberg and Steve Jobs, wearing the same thing every day is cool. And then be the unassuming millionaire next door. Number 6. Invest in real estate. Real estate millionaires put in a lot of hard work early on, but it pays off later in the form of residual rental income, not to mention rising real estate values over a period of time. Those who develop real estate projects also take on significant risk. Some pay off big and other create losses. Be prepared for ups and downs with your real estate ventures. Number 7. Keep a track of your progress. The amount of money you save is more important than the amount you earn. Internet is filled with examples of such people who made millions and then ended up being broke a few years later only because they had no idea where their money went. Take advantage of free financial tools available online. Track your cash flow, analyze your investment portfolio, calculate your financial needs in retirement. Just stay on top of your finances. Number 8. Associate with millionaires. In most cases, your net worth mirrors the level of your closest friends. This isn't exactly a new philosophy. It's been around ever since Andrew Carnegie embraced the mastermind principle. Exposure to people who are more successful than you are has the potential to expand your thinking and to stretch your income. We become like the people we associate with, and that's why winners are always attracted to winners. The reality is, millionaires think differently from the middle class about money, and there's much to be gained by being in their presence. If you found this video informative, then make sure to press the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive notifications for our upcoming videos on money saving and investing. Thank you very much.